Are you sick and tired of wrestling with complex website builders that are slow, confusing, and just don't deliver the results you need? And did you know slow loading pages are turning away potential customers before they even see what you offer? Not anymore. We've unlocked the secret to creating great websites that load fast on every device, ADA and GDPR law compliant, and convert maximum sales on 100% autopilot. Most importantly, we do it without worrying about having much money, time, knowledge, or skill. People all over the world are paying top dollar for these types of websites because everyone knows that high-performance websites are crucial for any business. We're talking about fast-loading websites on all devices, ADA and GDPR law compliant, mobile-friendly designs, effective SEO strategies, and a well-maintained website that can significantly improve customer retention. The more we talk to successful business owners and brands, the more we see them focusing on building effective websites. But the problem is, it's very difficult and expensive to create a great website. Maybe you can relate. Are you struggling with outdated, sluggish website builders that just don't live up to your expectations? Or maybe you're considering hiring a developer, which can be majorly expensive, especially when you want a great design, which may require changes as the online standards change. And let's not forget the difficulty of finding a web hosting company with all their hidden costs and limitations. You could easily be spending hundreds of dollars each and every month and still not be getting the results you want. Even with all that expense, there's no guarantee that you'll make any money, much less earn back what it cost you. Ugh! Now, you should take a breath, forget about all the struggles you had. I want to set your mind at ease. You see, we've developed a platform you can jump on today and start or restart your website agency business very easily. And because we know what the struggle is like for online business, we've designed it so you don't need to worry about any of these challenges anymore. After extensive development, user testing, and refinement, we're thrilled to introduce our complete, powerful, and user-friendly technology that enhances both conversions and user experience. Proudly presenting Webilo, the ultimate blazing fast-loading, ADA and GDPR-ready website creation solution where efficiency meets sophisticated design for a low one-time fee. With Webilo, you can create various types of websites with our over 400 proven to convert templates. You can use our next-gen drag-and-drop editor for total creative freedom, no coding or designing skills required. You can publish your site easily and watch it attract and retain customers like a magnet. Now, let's dive into how it can elevate your online presence. Creating engaging, high-performance websites has never been easier. Replace your old website with a fast, effective, and captivating online presence in just 3 simple steps. First, pick your layout from our extensive library of professionally designed templates tailored for various niches and goals. Second, personalize it effortlessly with our user-friendly drag-and-drop editor. And then finally, publish your website and watch it perform around the clock, bringing in traffic, leads, and sales. No installation, no coding, no hassle. In just minutes, you can launch a site that starts reaping those benefits. It's quick, efficient, and built with your success in mind. With Webilo, you can do so much more. You can sell products and services online with ease. You can build a robust online presence for yourself or your clients. You can generate leads and grow your customer base. You can create and sell highly in-demand, ADA and GDPR-ready, beautiful and mobile responsive websites and page creation services to clients in any business, in any niche, and charge $500, $1,000 per client. Grab your share of a $200 billion industry. And for those new to this world, our top-tier training and support will guide you every step of the way. So, whatever your business goals are, Webilo can get you there and beyond. Webilo will be working for you non-stop. Are you tucked into bed for the night? Webilo is working. Are you binging that new hot show on Netflix? Webilo is working. Are you doom scrolling on TikTok? Webilo is working. Are you enjoying a nice dinner with friends? Webilo is working. Are you watching the big game at a sports bar with your crew? Webilo is working. Webilo has your back. It's fast and easy. It's proven and professional. It's reliable and robust. It's time for you to relax and stop struggling with inadequate tools and overpriced services. And I'm sure you've heard all the nightmare stories of websites getting sued for violating GDPR laws and not being ADA compliant. Well, that's not going to be something you have to worry about with Webilo. You see, we'll keep you legal and safe from lawsuits. Our sites are also super secure using the very latest 128-bit secure socket layer technology. You can also collect leads for yourself and your clients. Use our built-in lead manager or make use of our simple-to-connect integrations with more than 20 of the top autoresponders out there. You can offer a highly effective business card service to your clients as well. These digital business cards can be easily shared on mobile to grow any business. Mind-blowing, right? Now, here's the thing. Right now, you can get access to Webilo at a hugely discounted one-time price. However, this special launch offer won't be around forever. Prices are set to rise, and you don't want to miss out on the opportunity to transform your business at this unbeatable rate. Act now and secure your spot before prices soar. Remember, every second counts. Your business deserves the efficiency and productivity that Webilo brings to the table. And here's our promise to you. Try Webilo risk-free for 30 days. If you're not thrilled with the outcomes, simply contact our support team for a hassle-free refund. No fuss, no hassle, just a straightforward money-back guarantee. Don't let another moment slip away. Join the revolution. Get started with Webilo today. Sign up now and let the future of customer engagement begin with you.